Hey guys, I'm Britt from WB Trees Consultants and Campus Asset Advisors. We work with colleges and schools all over the Southeast and the nation to help them improve their buildings. Today we want to talk about best practices for maintaining your buildings. There's several good reasons you want to maintain your buildings regularly. Number one, it keeps up their value. When you take care of what you already have, you don't have to build something new. Number two, your students, staff, faculty, visitors, alumni will want to be around those buildings because you've done a better job keeping them up. Number three, you're going to reduce your liability, your injury profile, your safety issues by addressing your buildings regularly. We recommend a regular maintenance plan on every building that's in use. And if something is out of use, it needs to be planned for and eventually either repurposed or torn down. That's all part of your maintenance plan. Check us out at WBTC3.com for more. We'd love to serve you. Thanks so much.